Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and today I've got another beautiful recipe, an excellent recipe, dum chicken. Very easy to make and I'm going to get straight into it as usual. 3 medium onions, put them in the oil, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and let it go a nice goldy brown. Once it's gone brown, just take it out, put it to the side. Now I'm going to get about 10 pieces of coconut, fresh coconut that is, about 10 pieces of almond and about 10 pieces of cashew nuts, and I'm going to dry roast them. Dry roast them on medium heat. Okay, to the next procedure. So you're going to need about 1 kg of chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And these are the cashew nuts, almonds and the coconut blended after being dry roasted. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the onions after being fried brown, they've been blended as well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And about half a cup of coriander. Bismillah. 1 cup of yogurt. Bismillah. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Bismillah. 2 tablespoons of tomato powder. Bismillah. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Salt to taste, I'm using 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Bismillah. And give that a good mix then. Bismillah. Once you mix all them herbs and spices into the chicken, let it marinate for a couple of hours at least. But if you can leave it overnight, well and good. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to my allotment. It's just not my allotment, there's 5 of us that share it. Yeah, so you can't be homegrown fruit and veg, like I say, coriander. It smells absolutely beautiful, that. Homegrown, you'll never be able to buy this. You can only do it when you grow it at home, fresh. We've had a bad year this year with the lockdown and the COVID-19. Because the soil's so fertile, with all the horse manure and that going in it, the weeds have just overtook everything. Just gonna nip the tops off, really, about half a cup. That's enough. That's enough there. I'm gonna leave that now, and that'll grow back. MashaAllah, look at that. And the smell on it is absolutely beautiful. That it smells fresh, you cannot beat. Okay guys, that was a quick trip to the allotment. Now back to the kitchen, and the chicken's been marinated, and this has been marinating for about 2 hours. Okay, we're going to start cooking it now then. Okay, so I'm going to need 1 cup of oil. Bismillah. Okay, so you let the oil heat up on medium heat, and then just put the chicken in, the marinated chicken, dum chicken. Bismillah. When it comes to a boil, you'll turn it to low heat, cover it, and let it simmer until it's cooked. Okay guys, so it's been simmering for about 30 minutes now, and I've stirred it in between once. So I'm just going to check it out, how it's cooking. And that smells absolutely beautiful, that is. So that's ready. So dum chicken guys, you must cook it on a very low heat. Be patient with it, yeah? That's ready now, so I'm going to put it in a dish and I'll show you then. Smells absolutely awesome, this does. MashaAllah. The coriander smells beautiful as well, that freshly picked one. That's it guys, MashaAllah, the dum chicken is ready. The main thing for this is to let it marinate for at least 2 hours, and then to cook it on a low heat. Just be patient with it, and it's a beautiful dish. It's got to be one of the best chicken dishes I've tasted anyway. So please do have a go guys. Hope yours turns out like this or better, inshallah. Please do like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.